In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an ID on ResearchGate. So to actually do this, you will need a ResearchGate account. And to get it, go to researchgate.net and over here click on Join for free, either here or here. Now, once you're in here, you'll have to select what type of researcher you are, either academic or student, corporate, government or NGO, medical, or if you are not a researcher at all. Now, under all these titles, it will say what falls under this category, so just go with the one that's relevant to you. For me, for example, I'm going to go with this one, and click on that. Here you'll have to put in your institution and department or whatever it asks for, just put that in, and after you do it, press on Continue. And here you'll have to put in a bunch of info. So it's going to be your first name, your last name. You're going to have to put in your your country or region over here, and then your institutional email as well. Okay. So after you've done that, you'll have to select a password over here. Now this, of course, password is up to you. You can do it whatever you want to do. And then once, of course, it says it's a strong password, you can then just agree with these two and press continue. After you've done this, you have two options. So you can either request a free account, so they can, of course, you can help them confirm you're actually a researcher if you can basically put in your university educational level and then your publication history, and then you can also describe your research by putting in links, your work, your CV, publications, conference abstracts, etc. And then you can request a free account. They will look through it. They will, of course, confirm it if they think you are a good fit. Or, of course, if you actually have an institutional email, you can get instant access by clicking Provide Email, putting your email over here, pressing continue, going through a few more steps, and after you've done that, you'll directly get your account. And of course, after you get the account, either using this way or this way, you'll then, of course, get your ID together with your ResearchGate account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.